Ever think about leaving your house doors wide open? Nope, I didn't think so. Same goes for your Google business profile. You should keep it locked down tight, or it could end up costing you big time. But hey, it's got its weak spots that you might not know about, making it an easy target for hackers, spammers, and other troublemakers. So I'm here to drop some handy tips on how to protect your Google business profile like it's Fort Knox. Number 1, turn on two-step verification. If you're the owner of a Google business listing, make sure the email account linked to it has two-step verification activated. Two-step verification or two-factor authentication adds an extra layer to your account's security. This way, even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to hijack your listing. Once you enable two-step verification, you can sign in using your password and your phone. Here is how to turn it on. Open your Google account. In the navigation panel, select Security. Under How you sign in to Google, select two-step verification. Follow the on-screen steps. Number 2, add an extra owner. It's a good idea to add a second email account, one that you control as an owner to your listing. This is just in case you can't get into the main owner account's email for whatever reason. This is how you do it. Go to your Google business profile. Click Menu. It's the 3 dots. Business profile settings, people and access. At the top left, click Add. Enter the email address you control. Under Access, choose Owner. Then click Invite. Number 3, limit who has access to your profile. Keep access to your business profile page restricted. The fewer people who can access your listing, the lower the risk of it being compromised. As time goes by, it's common for various users to gain access to your listing. Regularly reviewing and updating this list is crucial. Remove access for anyone who shouldn't have it anymore, like previous marketing agencies, former staff members, consultants, and so on. Sometimes these users could even be the reason for your listing getting suspended. So staying vigilant is key. To remove users, do this. Go to your Google business profile. Click Menu. It's the 3 dots. Business profile settings, then people and access. Click on unwanted users from the list. Click on Remove Person. Number 4, remove third-party apps accesses. If you claimed your listing a while back, chances are you've given access to various third-party apps and might have forgotten about them. These apps could be sending information to your Google business profile, and sometimes this info might be incorrect. If you don't need these apps anymore, it's a good idea to delete them. To check which apps have access to your profile, log into your account and then visit this link right here on the screen. From there, you can remove any apps you no longer want connected. Number 5, stop people from editing your business information. Did you know pretty much anyone can mess with your Google business profile information? Yep, they can suggest changes to things like your business name, hours, phone number, and more. This includes spammers, your competitors, or even grumpy ex-employees. And guess what? They don't even need your okay to do it. If you're not keeping an eye on your Google business profile listing, these changes might slip through and really mess up how you show up online. If you want to prevent this from happening, I suggest you check out this cool tool from WhiteSpark. This tool alerts you in real time about any suggested edits, allowing you to immediately review and reject them if necessary. And it's only going to cost you $1 a month. Pretty cheap for some peace of mind, right? That's it, guys. It's up to you now. Don't let anyone get hold of your Google business profile, as it is highly valuable. And if you want to make it even more valuable, watch this video next.